What type of MMF would be produced by a single phase winding? Answer: pulsing and stationary. Next question: if the designation of Indian Railway locomotive is known as WAM1, then in this what is the letter W indicates? Answer: the locomotive is to run on broad gauge. Next question: the primary reason for low power factor is owing to installation of which? Answer: induction motor. Next question: the angle of a series RLC circuit is leading if conductance is greater than inductance. Next question: the diffusion potential across a PN junction increase with? Answer: increase in doping concentration. Next question: a coil wound over an iron carriers certain current and establish flux in the ring. If the area of a AX section of the ring is doubled, what is the flux density in the core? Answer: it is half of the previous value. Next question: determine the maximum flux density in Tesla of a material having eddy current coefficient of 2, thickness of 4 mm, volume of 20 Q meter, which is supplied by a frequency of 50 Hz when the material has eddy current loss of 6 watt. Answer: 1.94 Tesla. Question: for proper operation of a transistor, its collector should have? Answer: proper reverse bias. Question: in a RL series circuit, what is the power factor? Answer: leading power factor. Next question: in an induction motor, if the rotor resistance is equal to standstill reactance, then what is the maximum torque? Answer: equal to starting torque. Next question: why is electrical braking preferred? Answer: it is smooth, its maintenance cost is less, and the energy is saved in regenerating braking. Next question: a switch mode power supply operated at 20 kHz to 100 kHz range uses which as the main switching element? Answer: this is MOSFET. Next question: a connected network of n greater than 2 nodes has at most one branch directly connecting any pair of nodes. The graph of the network. Answer: must have at least n branch for one or more closed path to exist. Next question: advantage of halogen lamp have? Answer: reduced dimension of the lamp, better color radiation, and longer life, about 2000 hours, and high operating temperature with increased luminous efficiency. Question: when the danger of electrical shock is maximum? Answer: while inserting electrode in the holder. Question: what is the average power in a pure inductive circuit? Answer: it is 0. Question: the ripple factor is? Answer: RMS value upon DC value. Question: when alpha cutoff frequency of a bipolar junction transistor increases? Answer: with the increase in bias width. Question: a network has 4 nodes and 3 independent loops. What is the number of branches in the network? Answer: 6. Question: in case of DC series motor, it is possible that there is no load speed limiting if a resistance is connected across its armature terminals. Next question: what will be the value of current in ampere in a 50 centimeter long air core solenoid if the value of magnetic field at the center of the solenoid is 5 megatesla and the solenoid has 300 turns? Answer: 6.63 ampere. Method suitable for heating of conducting medium is dash. Answer: induction heating. Next question: in a pure inductivity circuit dash. Answer: the current lags applied voltage by 90 degrees. Next question: what is meant by magnetic saturation of iron? Answer: the part of magnetizing curve in which the change in magnetic field strength H causes a little change in the magnetic flux density B. Next question: the insulation resistance of a cable of length 10 km is 1 mega ohm. For a length of 100 km of same cable, the insulation resistance will be 0.1 mega ohm. Next question: in a PN junction, the potential barrier is due to charge on either side of the junction. These charges are fixed donor and acceptor ions. Next question: the purpose of skewing of rotor slots in induction motor is? Answer: to reduce the locking tendency of rotor. Next question: determine the magnitude of EMF in volt induced between the axis of rotation and the rim of this disc, which when the disc of radius 10 cm rotates with an angular velocity of 60 revolvents per second and placed in a magnetic field of 3 Tesla acting parallel to the rotation of the disc is? Answer: 5.65 volt.